competition time, all this one about jet lag is out of the window. Let's play some football.
Football, it's a hard battle. We're ready from the off. As Curacao will win. Throwing 20 attacking option. We're ready to go and in possession. Back there with Kennedy. And that,
Oh!
Sa opening the drama.
From the Dutch Caribbean representing, we have the lineup Colombian, Venezuelan, so
it's an all-around team. It's an international team as a matter of fact.
there as well.
Reception there by the Curacao team, which is foul. The man passed in the post.
Open shot!
We're quite ready for this year's competition and see that despite the efforts being pegged back so early, actually it's a penalty.
Contact in the area. The defender cannot allow the ball to hit in the penalty area. As a result, Curacao has an opportunity to take the early lead.
If he's going to do it, Jordan, remember, the chance of getting it,
Shot, and it goes wide. So, with the back for a